Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Graphic Unit, and in this video I am going to show you how you can create a Payoneer account, a complete tutorial from start to end. For those who don't know what is Payoneer account is, it is an online payment gateway method from where you can accept the payments from other country currencies also, like US, Europe, etc. And also you can use this for your e-commerce platforms also. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. So first we'll go to Google and search Payoneer, and then click on www.payoneer.com here. Then you'll be redirected into this website. So this is the interface of the website. Now we'll just click on sign up for free option. Here some of the options are available to choose. So what are your purpose of creating this account? You can search from here and click on register. So I am going to click here and enter my details, my username, first name, my date of birth, and click on next option. Then you have to enter your contact details like your house address, country, and your mobile number for verification. So I am going to enter my address here, a proper address. Then I am going to enter my phone number below. And then you click on send code option. Once you click on the send code option, you will get a verification code to your phone number. You have to enter it here and verify it, so to activate the Payoneer account. Then you will click on next option. Here you have to enter your password. That means you have to create a new password for Payoneer. So I am going to create my password here, and the security questions for the security reasons. Once your account has been stuck, you can retrieve it from here by clicking this question option. And also you have to enter your PAN number here. So I am going to enter my PAN number here and click next option. Then you have to enter your bank details here. The bank account details which you have in India, you have to enter it here. So I am going to enter my bank details here completely, IFSC code and account number, everything here. And I am going to tick this agree option and agree to pricing and fee options at the bottom below. So once I fill, I am going to tick these two options and click on submit option. Once you click on submit, you will see that it is review in process. That means Payoneer website managers will review your details, and once your details is approved, then your Payoneer account will be approved. And then we have to get back and sign into your Payoneer account. So once we get in, you'll notice that you have to enable the two-step verification. So we'll go into enter turn on option here. Then you will receive a code to your registered phone number, and you have to submit it here once again. I'll submit it here and click on submit option. Then you get a code from a Payoneer account. You need to note this somewhere else, so that if your account is stuck in between, or it may be asks for something else in the future, for that purpose you have to save this code and somewhere else, or you can note it down somewhere else and click on OK. So here you have to answer another two more security questions. This is for the purpose of account security. So I am going to enter my security questions and answers and click on submit button. And then you have to select the purpose for which the Payoneer account you are creating. So I am going to select my purpose here. You can also select for this purpose if you are using for an e-commerce platform. So I am going to select my purpose here from this select option. And also for the additional purposes also, you need to verify this purpose code option. Now, so I am verifying it now itself. I'm going to other personas and then click on update option. Then this is how the interface looks like. So meanwhile we have to check our mail, so that Payoneer has sent us a verification link. That means we have to verify our link here. So we'll click on verify my email and sign into our Payoneer account once again. Once you sign in with that link, your Payoneer account will be registered. That means your email will be confirmed. Then you will see a option like this. So this is the interface. And you'll notice that there is an option for submission of the documents at the top. You have to submit these documents for your account to be working perfectly. So I'm going to click on submit now option and go to account verification first, and I'm going to upload my PAN card photo here in a JPEG format and click on update. And you can also update your business details from here, but I'm not going to do that business details for now. So you can enter it from here also, but I'm going to upload my PAN details here, as you can see. And you can also update your business profile from here also and click on submit button. For now I am doing it for just to show you this is not the correct detail. You can do it perfectly when you have a verified business account, and you can submit here for the working of Payoneer account perfectly. So meanwhile verifying that accounts, I got a mail from the Payoneer that my Payoneer account was successfully activated. That means my provided details are perfectly correct and my account has been perfectly created, and this is how the procedure is. So that's the video guys. If you like this video, please give a big fat thumbs up, and also don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos also. So that's the video. We'll see you in the next one. Till then, change the world by creating new. Thanks for watching.